Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the Tunisian cross stitch. In order to do the Tunisian cross stitch you will need to have an even number of stitches because we will be working in pairs of 2. So let's dive right into it. So for Tunisian cross stitch we will need to skip the first stitch. So we'll start with the second stitch and we will insert the hook from right to left, yarn over and pull up a loop, and now we are going to go back to the stitch that we skipped and we do the same. So we insert the hook from right to left, yarn over and pull up a loop, and you already see a little cross there. So we're going to do the same again. So we will skip the next one, work into the second stitch from the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then we are going to go back and work the stitch that we skipped. Okay, there you go, and we've got 2 little crosses on our little swatch. The next one, so we skip the next stitch and work into the second loop or second chain, pull up a loop, and then we are going to go back to the stitch that we just skipped and pull up a loop, and then we are going to go and work the last pair of my swatch. We're going to skip one stitch, work into the next one, pull up a loop, and go back to the stitch that we just skipped and work this, pull up a loop. Then we're going to do the end stitch. To do the end stitch we need to rotate the fabric and work under the both of these bars and pull up a loop. And now we're going to follow it with the standard return pass. So we yarn over, pull through 1 loop, that counts as your chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, right to the end, over, pull through 2, which will be the beginning of your project. Okay, that's it. So you will see these little crosses forming in this row, and that's how you work the Tunisian cross stitch.